Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, my room is a mess. I'm officially packing up because the road to Spain has become. I am leaving in 1 week exactly. So I have decided to pack up all my stuff and make sure that everything can fit in my suitcases. So I'm taking like 2 suitcases. There's one there, some others so like I'm not gonna pick up because there's just too much. But I just wanted to show you guys the process. So as you guys know, I'm going to be living in Spain, southeastern Spain for 1 year. I'm going to be teaching English and I'm so excited to begin this journey. I'm also very nervous, like I'm going through the feels right now. I'm really blessed to be able to follow my dreams and to do what I want. So yeah, I don't know, I'm very nervous, but very happy and blessed and fortunate and overwhelmed with gratitude. So every day I'm going to be dropping a vlog, just talking, showing you guys what I'm doing, how I'm preparing, and all of that. So keep on watching if you want to see me go to Spain. Oh! So, one bag done. Done. Okay. Road to Spain, part 1, complete. My dress. Whoa! Hey, hey. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching part 1, Road to Spain. I will be back soon. More packing. I got all my clothes done. Like, wow, 1 suitcase is done. I got 1 more suitcase, big suitcase to do. That's shoes, and I got my toiletries. I can't pick up my cameras in there. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!